Looking for a strong, durable bond for your metal projects? Today, we're exploring the best epoxy for metal that offers exceptional adhesion and resistance to harsh conditions. Whether you're repairing, crafting, or building, these top picks ensure long-lasting results and impressive strength. Stick around to discover our favorites and check the description for links to these must-have adhesives. Let's get bonding. Weld 8281 Steel Reinforced Epoxy. Search for an epoxy that truly delivers strength and durability. The Weld 8281 professional-size steel reinforced epoxy offers a two-part system designed to replace traditional welding methods. This 10-ounce epoxy provides superior bonding on various materials, including ceramic, metal, plastic, wood, and concrete. It cures to a dark gray finish and is ideal for household repairs, automotive fixes, and craft projects. With a tensile strength of 5,020 pounds per square inch, this epoxy withstands high temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. The easy application process requires mixing at a 1-to-1 ratio and sets in 4 to 6 hours, fully curing in 15 to 24 hours. Waterproof and resistant to chemicals and acids, Weld is perfect for tackling big or small DIY tasks, ensuring lasting repairs every time. Gorilla 4200101 Clear Epoxy. Want an epoxy that makes your projects look spotless? The Gorilla 4200101 Clear Epoxy provides exceptional strength and versatility, perfect for various applications such as wood, metal, glass, and ceramic. This 0.85-ounce adhesive comes in an easy-to-use syringe that separates the resin and hardener, ensuring longevity and accurate dispensing. Ideal for gap filling, it bonds uneven surfaces and vertical applications effortlessly. With a quick 5-minute set time, you have ample opportunity to reposition your work for the perfect fit. The water-resistant formula withstands moderate exposure to moisture, making it suitable for household and automotive repairs. Gorilla Epoxy dries clear, providing a seamless finish that enhances the appearance of your projects. With superior solvent and water resistance, it takes your repairs to the next level of durability. Permatex 84109 Multi-Metal Epoxy. Looking for a quick solution for multi-metal repairs? The Permatex 84109 Permapoxy Multi-Metal Epoxy is an easy-to-use, two-part adhesive designed for metalworking and automotive applications. This versatile product sets in just 4 minutes without requiring clamps, making it perfect for urgent repairs. With a permanent strength of up to 4,500 pounds per square inch, it bonds various metals, including aluminum, steel, and stainless steel, while effectively filling gaps without shrinking. Once cured, this epoxy can be drilled, sanded, or filed to achieve a polished finish. It is resistant to both water and solvents, ensuring durability in challenging conditions. Whether sealing welded seams, filling metal cracks, or assembling components, Permatex provides reliable and robust solutions for all your metal repair needs. We hope this video helps you find the perfect epoxy for metal. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.